My son's name is Drew Wartenberg. He is 7 years old. He will be starting second grade coming up this fall. During his first grade, about 6 months into first grade, halfway through the year, what I noticed was that Drew was getting very frustrated with his homework. What should have taken arguably 15 minutes was taking up to an hour because he was just getting excessively frustrated. What I also noticed specifically when he was reading is that he would shut down. We would sit together at the end of the night and we would read a book together, and he would be rolling along fine and then just get tripped up on different words and get frustrated and just shut down and not want to read anymore. And I was explaining what I was observing with Drew to a friend of mine, and she suggested that I come and have Dr. Mañé take a look at Drew and just do a very basic evaluation and see if there was any simple things that Dr. Mañé might be able to do to help Drew. I explained to Dr. Mañé what I was observing with Drew, with his frustration with homework and specifically with reading, and he started to do some eye tests. And very quickly, it was very funny because I saw the reaction in his face. Just the light bulb clicked with Dr. Mañé, and he said, "Oh, well, no wonder he's getting frustrated reading. What's happening with Drew is when his eyes are tracking and reading along the words of the book, he's losing his place." So we started coming 3 days a week for a 2-month period, and we did very simple, Dr. Mañé did very simple exercises with Drew. What he was attempting to do was to strengthen certain parts of his brain and strengthen his eyes and prevent his eyes from doing the skipping that it was doing with the reading. And we noticed changes very quickly. Within a month, I was talking to Drew's teacher, and she had done Drew had gone through a standardized test that week. And when I walked into and talked to the teacher about the results of the test, she just lit up. And she said, "I cannot believe the improvement that I have seen in Drew in the last couple weeks, or the last couple months, when I compare his scores, where they are right now versus where they were before, a marked change." Yes, he just needed his eyes checked out.